Hello everyone, I'm here with Dell OptiPlex All-in-One 7410 and we will be installing a new display assembly on this system. The tools required will be a Phillips screwdriver and a plastic pry. To start, flip the device over so the bottom is facing up. Press down on the tab that secures the back cover in place, then slide the back cover off the display. Remove the 6 screws that secure the system board shield in place. Now undo the 2 screws that secure the input/output cover in place. Remove the 3 screws that secure the bottom cover in place. Once all the screws are out, lift the system board shield away. Now lift the input/output cover away. Remove the 3 screws securing the audio board bracket in place, followed by the 3 screws securing the audio board in place. Now lift the speakers off the display assembly base. Then repeat the above steps to remove the power button bracket and power button board. Undo the 3 screws that secure the AIO bracket in place, then lift away from the display assembly. Remove the wireless card, followed by the SSD card. Now remove the display cable, remove fan cable, remove camera cable, and remove touch screen cable. To remove the heat sink and fan, loosen the 5 screws securing it in place, followed by the 3 captive screws securing the fan to the display assembly, then lift away. Now lift the motherboard off the display assembly, followed by the camera. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Reassemble your system. Install the camera. Install the system board, followed by the power button and audio board. Now replace the screws, then connect the camera cable, touch screen cable and display cable to the system board. Install the power button and audio board shields, followed by the I/O bracket. To connect the speakers, place them into their slot, then route the cable through the guides on the display assembly. Connect the speakers to the audio board. Install the wireless card, followed by the solid-state drive. To install the heat sink and fan, clean off the excess thermal paste from the CPU, then apply a small point of thermal paste on the CPU. Now place the fan on the display assembly base, followed by the heat sink, then replace the screws. Install the bottom cover, input/output cover, then replace the screws. To replace the system board shield, gently place it in the display assembly base, then replace the screws to secure it in place. Now place and slide the cover into place. Lastly, install the stand. Power on machine.